Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to TVZine, where we dive into the weird and wonderful world of science and technology. Today, we're talking about something that's got everyone from scientists to sci-fi fans buzzing de-extinction or bringing back extinct species. Now, you might be thinking, wait, isn't that just a fancy way of saying Jurassic Park? Well, yes and no. For those who haven't followed the news lately, de-extinction is becoming increasingly real. Scientists are using DNA sequencing and genetic engineering to bring back prehistoric creatures like mammoths, saber-toothed cats, and even woolly dinosaurs. But before you start imagining T-Rexes roaming the streets, let's get one thing straight. These animals aren't coming back just yet. The technology behind de-extinction is still in its infancy, but it's getting more advanced by the day. For example, a team of scientists from the University of California, Berkeley, has successfully sequenced the DNA of a woolly mammoth using a 25-year-old frozen specimen found in Siberia. That's right, folks. We're talking about an animal that went extinct over 4,000 years ago. Now, you might be wondering how they did it. Well, here's the thing. Scientists have been able to recover DNA from frozen remains because of a process called preservation through permafrost. Essentially, when an animal dies and is quickly buried in permafrost, its tissues can remain intact for thousands of years without degrading. But what do we do with this recovered DNA? Well, that's where the genetic engineering comes in. Scientists use CRISPR gene editing technology to modify the recovered DNA into a living organism. It sounds like science fiction, but trust me, it's not. For instance, researchers at Oxford University have successfully used CRISPR to clone the woolly mammoth genome onto an Asian elephant genome. This means that scientists could potentially create a hybrid animal with both woolly and elephant traits. It's a pretty mind-bending concept, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this all just hype, or are we really going to see these animals roaming the wild? Well, it's not quite that simple. While scientists have been able to sequence DNA from extinct species, bringing them back to life is a whole different story. There are many ethical concerns surrounding de-extinction, such as the potential impact on modern ecosystems and the risk of introducing invasive species. Plus, we're talking about creating living organisms in a lab. It's not exactly a straightforward process. So what does this mean for us? Well, TVZine wants to keep you informed about all things sci-fi and futuristic, but also bring you some context and nuance. De-extinction is an exciting area of research that holds a lot of promise, but it's also fraught with complexities and uncertainties. As we continue to push the boundaries of science and technology, we'll be keeping a close eye on this story, and we want to hear from you too. Share your thoughts on de-extinction in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more TVZine content. Until next time, stay curious.